Chapter 4: The Egyptian Civilization, Part 2. In today's session, we will learn about the different occupations practiced by the Egyptian people and their religion. Egyptian occupations. The people of Egypt, they practiced different kind of occupations. So now, one by one, we'll be discussing all the types of occupations practiced by them. Agriculture. The economy means the financial condition of ancient Egypt was mainly linked to the Nile River. Agriculture was the most important occupation of the people. The flooding of the Nile Valley every year from September to October was a source of both anxiety and relief, meaning fear and relaxation for the farmers who were settled in the Nile Valley. When the flood used to come, the farmers had to flee, or we can say they had to run for their safety from the swirling waters. Swirling waters means strongly flowing waters, and in the meantime, the floods used to make their land rich and fertile with alluvium soil. The floods taught the people of Egypt to build dams for storing water and to construct canals for irrigating the fields. And for all this means for building dams and for constructing canals, they needed a strong administration, careful planning, close supervision, and a high degree of engineering and mathematical skills. It is said that people of Egypt used oxen to plough the land as early as 3000 BCE, and they used sickles. Sickles is a shorthand tool used for cutting or trimming the crops, made of flint flakes mounted on sticks to harvest the grains. And the harvested grains, these were stored in the granaries. Barley and emmer. Emmer is a kind of wheat. These were the two principal food crops grown by the people of ancient Egypt. Other than this, the other crops grown were millet, flax, cotton, and vegetables. They also grew dates, figs, apples, peaches, and mulberries. The harvested grains means the grains after cutting were stored in the granaries. Domestication of animals. Like in the other river valley civilizations, the Egyptians too domesticated animals. Cows, asses, pigs, and geese were the commonly domesticated animals. They used to supply meat, milk, hide means skin, and dung. Oxen were used to plough the land. Dogs and cats were kept as house pets. Often the cheetahs were tamed by the ancient Egyptians. Tamed means they were also kept as house pets or as a domesticated animal. Keeping cheetahs as pets was a mark of royalty, and it was adopted by many rulers across different cultures or different countries. It is said by the historians that the Mughal Emperor of India, Akbar, had about 1000 cheetahs in the 16th century CE. Pottery, glassmaking, and carpentry. The potter's wheel is thought to have come to Egypt from Mesopotamia. The Egyptians, they also made beautiful stone vases, and they had also developed the art of making glass very early. Carpentry was a highly developed craft, inlaid with ivory and precious stones, and such beautiful furniture inlaid with ivory and precious stones had been found in the well-preserved tombs of Egyptian rulers. Metallurgy. Metallurgy means use of metals. The Egyptians, they learned the use of metal from the Hyksos. The Hyksos, they were the people from Asia who invaded and ruled Egypt in the 17th century BCE. Metal statues were usually made by wrapping sheet metal around a wooden core. Gold was used to make such beautiful objects as the death mask of King Tutankhamun. Religion. The Egyptians, they worshipped the forces of nature. Ra was the sun god and was worshipped in different forms and was considered the creator of all things. Other than this, Thoth was the moon god, Horus was the god of the sky, Isis was the goddess of the earth, and Osiris was the god of the afterworld. Afterworld means after death. Temples were also built in honor of these gods. Other than these gods and goddesses, certain animals were also worshipped and considered sacred, like jackals, cats, and vultures. Mau was the feline goddess. So these were the gods and goddesses praised by the Egyptian people.